Life truly begins after you have put your house in order. A quote from Marie Kondo. Today, let's go over a few simple things that you can implement to keep a clean home. I'm starting off by stripping my toddler's bed. I start off each day with a load of laundry. I plan out the laundry that I'm going to do the night before. Whether it's in my head, I know that's going to be the item, or I get it already loaded into the washing machine. Today's laundry, I knew I needed to wash my toddler's bed, so first thing this morning, I'm taking everything off of his bed and throwing it into the washing machine to get it all nice and clean. Keeping up with laundry is one of the most beneficial ways to keep a clean home. I feel like laundry is so overwhelming on everybody's to-do list almost every single day and feels never ending. Implement easy to maintain laundry routines. Whether you're like me and are home every single day, I work from home full time. My son does go to a program throughout the day while I am working, so during my lunch break, I do have some time to get cleaning done, which is when I do these tasks such as cleaning his bedding. Even if you aren't home all the time and you work outside of the home, you could easily do these things first thing in the morning while you're getting ready for the day, or as soon as you get home from work, throw in a load of laundry and just keep it going so that it becomes a daily habit, a daily routine, and something you don't have to overthink or stress about. Number 2 in laundry is always making sure things are folded and put away. Laundry can easily pile up in these baskets. Live in these baskets for weeks at a time. It's so easy to just keep all your clothes in here, rummage through, and grab out what you need as you need it. But having a clean home means putting your laundry away. So as soon as the basket is full, do the folding and put it away right away. And if you need somebody to do the folding alongside, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday with loads of cleaning motivation, and there's lots of laundry, lots of folding. So let's get all these tasks done together. The impact of your home cleaning routine is similar to your self-care routine. Release all those endorphins and become more mindful. What are your cleaning routines? What cleaning tasks do you have on your list to do daily, weekly, monthly, seasonally? Do you have routines? Or do you just kind of wing it and clean as you notice things? Or just whatever needs to be done for that day is what you get done? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you do in keeping up with all the cleaning tasks that need to be done. For me, I have daily cleaning routines and weekly cleaning routines. Daily, I make sure to make my bed. Nothing gets you going than starting off with your bed being made. This wasn't the first task that I did on this particular day, and if I'm being honest, it's not the first task that gets done on most days because I get up a couple hours earlier than my husband, so I can't make the bed while he is still in it. So I have to wait for him to be up and off for the day before I can come back up here and quickly make the bed. It is something that I try to do every single day. It doesn't always get done, but on the days that it does not get done, I feel less productive and end my day with, I really wish I had made the bed. There is nothing better than getting into a made bed at the end of a long day. So if you need to start with one simple thing to implement every single day, make your bed. The bathroom mirrors get cleaned weekly. Some weeks, a few more days than others, depending on how dirty they get or seem, but I do make sure to get them clean on a weekly basis. The bathroom countertops, on the other hand, are something that is included in the daily cleaning tasks. Especially with this bathroom, everybody uses this bathroom every single day to get ready, so it gets extra dirty. So make sure to just quickly wipe it down. Not always like a deep clean, sometimes most days it's just a quick little wipe down, whether it's with a cleaning spray or like Clorox wipes, just to make sure it's nice and fresh and ready to use, since we all do use these counters and sinks. The vacuuming of the bedroom, that gets done pretty much on a weekly basis. I don't vacuum the bedrooms every single day. They don't seem to get as dirty as our rug in our living room. That rug gets vacuumed every single day. My dog spends majority of her time in that room, and my son and her are constantly playing on that rug, so it just gets dirty so quickly. So I do make sure to vacuum that rug on a daily basis, but I find the upstairs rugs don't get as dirty. We really don't spend as much time playing on the rugs as we do in the living room. So think of areas in your room, in your house, where you're spending majority of your time. Are there rugs or countertops that get used every single day where messes build up quicker and you need to give them a little extra attention on a daily or weekly basis? The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that environment. Third, make sure things are put away. Have a home for every item in your home. Last weekend, we celebrated my son's 3rd birthday. If you have not yet seen that cleaning video in preparation for his birthday party, I posted that on Tuesday, so make sure after this video you go back and check that one out. For parties, we always set up this table and use it usually as a dessert table, which is what we did for his party. We had cake and cupcakes over here. And a lot of times this table kind of just hangs out and lasts way too long being up, but I'm making a point this year that after we are done with that party, that table is going away. It has a home, a place it can stay behind the hutch, so it's very easy to clean, and I don't need to procrastinate in leaving it up and having more clutter in my house than necessary. Putting things away also means making sure that they are clean and ready to go away. So this tier tray we always use for cookies, or in this particular event I put the cupcakes on it. So I'm making sure to wipe this down so that it is ready for me to put it away, since we probably won't use it for a little bit until our next event, which at this point I'm not really sure when that will even be. That might not be till a summer cookout. So making sure that it is clean and ready to be put away is beneficial for when I am going to next use it. Fourth, have a home that is easy to tidy, not necessarily always tidy. Implement simple organization systems into your home that make putting things away seamless and not take up too much time. As I'm showing here in this section of our living room, I have a now 3-year-old son who has all these toys and plays with lots of things throughout the day here in this room. I have easy to manage organization systems set up with this cube shelving. Oh, and I wanted to show you, this is Shadow in a little enclosure cage that my nephew built out of these connector toys. He has an engineer brain and always uses these toys in such creative ways. As I'm cleaning and putting things away, I noticed this and thought it was just so clever, the things that he comes up with. So I wanted to show you. I am now putting these away and freeing Shadow from his cage. So back to my point here of this tip of keeping your home clean is just have systems that make tidying and cleaning and putting things away easy. They don't have to necessarily mean that your house is completely tidy at all times, especially with having kids. That's really not manageable or realistic. When you have kids, toys are gonna be out. We want them to play and use their imaginations and have fun. So I set up a whole section for him here in the corner of our living room where he can easily access all of his toys, but they're always also easy to put away. And there are systems that even him at 3 years old, and when he was 2, he knew the organization system too. So he can easily help me put things away as well. We are very fortunate in having this very large living room. And with our sectional, when we are sitting here on the couch, just my husband and I watching a movie, or when we have friends and family over, it doesn't feel like we're in a playroom. You can't really see that whole section of the room because of where the sectional is. So it works out really well for us. And my 5th and final tip for today's video is to have a do it now mentality. Is the item that needs to be cleaned going to take you 10 minutes or less? You probably have 5 to 10 minutes to get something done pretty quickly. So things that you know need to get cleaned, don't put them off. Just do them as soon as you think or notice them. Just as this couch, it is definitely overdue that I clean or vacuum underneath these couch cushions. I know for sure there are snacks that have fallen in between, as my son and also my husband and we had guests over for a birthday party all sat here on this couch and had snacks. So I am going to take care of this right now as I'm thinking of it, to make sure I'm keeping up with vacuuming underneath this couch so it stays as clean as possible. So implement that in many different areas of your cleaning routines throughout your day. Can you do it now? How long is it going to take you? If it's only going to take you a few minutes, just get it done. Don't put it off till later. hope this video was helpful for you today. I hope you were able to gain some tips and tricks to make your cleaning routines and your to-do lists, your daily tasks feel a little less stressful. I hope you leave here feeling like you've just been hanging out with a friend and gained lots of cleaning motivation. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you again in my next video on Tuesday. Bye.